Is Python bisect faster than numpy.searchsorted? I was surprised to see that Python's bisect_left was faster than the NumPy equivalent numpy.searchsorted. Is that related to the distribution of values I used, or will this remain true for any input? Python is on version 3.8.0 and NumPy on version 1.18.4.
The problem here is that you're doing one lookup at a time. One scalar at a time is not an efficient way to use NumPy. Calling search sorted with an entire array of elements to find is faster than calling bisect_left with one element at a time in a loop.